Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the world's best recipe, very easy chocolate brownie cake recipe, which is with no oven and with no baking. Without any wasting time, let's start the recipe. For that I took the half cup of flour and cocoa powder, 3.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Guys, this is the real pancake recipe, I can call. If I'm not wrong, baking soda. I add baking soda, half teaspoon, and pinch of salt if you guys want it. Just sift it. Sifting is very important because the cocoa powder and flour, there's no without any lumps. And 1/3 cup of sugar. I add 2.5 tablespoon of melted butter here, 1 egg. I'm just going to mix them very well, all the ingredients. We don't need any extra bowl. 1/4 of milk. Just mix it in the pan and put it on the stove. No oven, no baking. That's it is called. I'm going to add the vanilla essence, half teaspoon. It's totally optional. Some guys like it in chocolate cake, or some guys don't like it. If you like, you can add. If you don't like, don't add. I will just spread it nicely and evenly all over the pan, because it's no oven and no baking recipe. Just turn on that stove, very low heat, and put it on that stove for the 20 to 25 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes are enough. Toothpick is very clean and clear. Now let it be cool down, and then I had just chocolate with the nuts. Here I just melted with the butter and milk. I'm just putting it on spreading and putting on the cake. Let it be chilled and cool down. These are just nuts on it. These are not lumps. Now make the pieces of brownie shape, whatever you want. Put it in the plate. It's so easy and so quick recipe, guys. This is we can call it a brownie recipe, we can call it chocolate cake recipe, we can call it the real pancake recipe. Sprinkle some coconut and some nuts powder if you want. Whatever you want, you can sprinkle on it. And you see, guys, it's very easy to follow and easy to make recipe. Even anyone can cook it and make it anywhere. If you guys going to camp, you can make there very easily. If you like my recipe, if you like my videos, please do like, share the recipe with your family and friends, and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.